Hey beaders, it's Daniella from Estelle & Weil, and today we're going to open up the Best Bead Box XL from Potomac Beads. And this is the February box, and I just got it, and it's like February 26th or something, I don't know. Anyhow, let's see. And the theme for this month is Bead My Valentine. Alright, so we're well past Valentine's Day, but it doesn't matter. And here is the contents. Quite a lot of things. Okay, let's see. The first pattern we've got is Brick Road bracelet. I think this is really nice. A lot of colors and stuff inside. And then we have Savannah Sunset earrings. These are nice. And then we have a love triangle pendant. So let's see which two of these have all the beads for. All right, put them aside. And I think I'm gonna do as I did last time, just gonna go through all the bags one by one. So let's start. Here we have a little tassel. It's a red, no, two tassels, I'm sorry. So two tassels, silk tassels, very nice. In red. And then we have, what is this? Oh, there are 1, 2, at least 3, must be more, wire guards. These are so good to use, in my opinion. Very, very good. Oh, the box closed itself. All right. Then we have, these are, I don't know, spike buttons maybe? Is that it? In white red luster. I like this color. And these beads are kind of fun too, I must say. I need to take them out just to have a better look. Oh, look at this. Cool. They're nice, aren't they? Nice color. I think so. Let's put them back in the bag. Otherwise they are gone forever. Oh. Okay, no. All right. Then we have a couple of round trios in Aztec gold. These are nice. You see? Nice golden color too. And we have, maybe I should put them on this side, I think. Yeah. No. Should I do that? Where are they? Here. First up we have then check a heart 6mm. Let's see what that is. Check heart. Oh, look at these. They're so cute. Look at them. Tiny little hearts in pink. Very nice. Oh, and I lost the bag again. There we go. Then we have, what is this? These are Floral Cabs, 18mm. These are nice, except maybe for the back here. Doesn't matter. You never see the back anyway. Okay, and then we have a Floral Cab, 18 by 25mm. Well, florals are not really my thing, but it's kind of cute. It's like a lemony type of flower thing. Nice. I have these, but in a different color. There are check fire polished bicons, and I have them in like blue or something. They're kind of cool. Actually, they are like, maybe I should take it out of the bag. Yes, I am. Here, it doesn't really say the color of these. They have no product code, as you can see. No product code anywhere. Anyhow, these are like a pinkish topaz color, and they seem to be like, I don't know if you can see this, but they are like etched on the sides here. They're kind of cool. And these are large. They are, I would say 12 maybe, at least 12. What is this? These are check bicons, 6mm. They're like cream colored. bicones. Nothing special. But the color is actually kind of nice, I think. Then we have, oh, this is cute. This is a little, oh, see if I can open it first. Okay, I could not. All right, this is a pewter bird link. Okay. It's kind of cute, don't you think? Two little birds on a branch, and you can attach things here and here. I think they are cute. Little birdies in the spring. Okay. And these are, what is this? Tri beads, 4.5 millimeters. A tri bead. I have never seen this before. They are fun Potomac beads, I think, because they always send new things that at least I haven't seen before. And these are like a silvery purple type of color. They are small triangles with a hole in the middle. I have no idea what to do with them. We'll see. Maybe I should try something different this time, I think. I should not make the patterns, but try to do something else. Let's see. And here we have check 2-hole tiles in a very nice pink color with some luster on it. I think they're nice. They're 6x6. And then we have dome beads, 10x6 millimeters. These are kind of cool, I think. If I can open it up so you can see as well. Let's see. I don't know the color, but they're some kind of a reddish, like lava red, light lava red, I would say. Look, I think they're cool. Where is the hole? It goes straight through, top to bottom. You see? They're nice. Okay, I think my lights have gone out again. Oh, yeah. And what is this? We have, these are rose quartz faceted round, 4 millimeters. Yeah, they look like they do. Rose quartz, light pink and cute. And I would say slightly faceted. All right. And then we have, let's see, what is this? Ooh, Potomac disco balls in Smokey Topaz. These are so cool, I think. They are always, Potomac crystals are always super sparkly. Take a look at this. Aren't they nice? Yes, they are. They always have this super sparkly finish on that I really like. They should be sparkly, I think. Oops, now they're also everywhere. Okay. And I have to close it up. And then we have gold-plated post earrings. Okay, we have to open this bag. Let's see. These are posts. Let's see what this is. Okay. They are hearts. Look. They are hearts. 2 little hearts. Ready to be used with backings. Okay. That's a weird thing because you can't really make anything with them. Right? They are done. But they're cute. Okay. And then we have, what is this? Oh, nice. These are 4 pieces of lampwork beads. We have to open the bag here as well, just to have a little peek. Oh, these are nice. Where is the good light? I don't know. Okay, these are clear around with I don't know, white, maybe white purple stripes in the middle, and they are not round. They are donut shaped, sort of. I don't know what it's called. Rondelle shaped. I'm sorry. God, what's wrong with me? I can't even speak today. Okay. And there are a lot of things this time. And we have, oh, this must be for the pendant. A Potomac square donut. have to open this. It's got to be for this pattern, I say. Don't you think? Yeah, I think so. I have to have a look at it. Oh, it's a nice color too. It's foiled on the back, and it's what color is it? Purple, pink type of color, really sparkly, very nice, very nice. It's also a little yellow in it, I believe. Let's see if we can put it back in the bag. I think actually this color is nicer than the picture on the pattern, so that's good. And here we have a bag of check faceted round pink 6mm beads. These are nice too. I wonder what they mean with fire polished. I have to check that out. But these weren't fire polished. I'm just being dumb. All right. And I believe actually the color is much more beautiful in real life than it is in my stupid camera. The lights just went out. I have extra lights that's attached to the camera, but they went out, of course. But this color is nice. It's like a little bit peachy, I would say. Peach pink color. Good if I'm in the frame as well, right? Let's see. Okay. So nice, very nice. Let's see what else we've got in here. These are, okay, Pewter Key Charm. I'm not a big fan of keys, but there they are. They're kind of nice actually. But I don't use keys in my work. You see? Then we have, what is this? This is Storm Duels. They're cool. They're like little S's. I don't know what to do with them, but they're in Aztec gold. Maybe we'll find something to do. They're nice, I think. And then we have 2 pieces of halo beads, 2-hole antique brass. And I think these are for the earrings. For these. What do you think? I believe so. And I like these halo beads. Also those for the what are they called? Super Duos. They're nice. I think it's just a cool thing to use. And these are Miyuki seed beads, 15 O's. And the color is a kind of a yellow pink color. It doesn't have a product code, so I can't go online and check, but yellow pink type of color. Champagne maybe, but it is nice. It's a nice color. And here we have a toggle clasp, and it's a heart. You see? It's cute. It's very nice, actually. And we have all this white stuff here. And then we have Miyuki delicas in 11O. And the color is pinkish purple, I would say. It doesn't have a product code on this one either. It's a nice color though, I think. I hope you can see it. And then we have, what is this? A lot of seeds. These are Miyuki seed beads, 15 O's, and these are the same as the other one, I think. Aren't they the same? Yeah. Okay, I got 2 of these. And we still don't know what color it is. And these are round duos in white lava red. Very nice. Round duos. They have 2 holes done. That's a nice color. Cool. Then we have, what is this? Oh, check bellflowers. Gotta open this one. Oh, they're all nice. Look at this. There are 2. These are actually larger than what I usually use. There are 2 darker ones here, and there are 2 lighter ones, so you can choose which ones you like. That's nice. I think I like the darker ones actually. I think so. They're nice, very cool. Let's see what we can come up with those. And then we have, what is this? This is a metal heart bead. Okay. Little heart bead. Let's see. And it has, how many holes? Is it one there? One. That's very off-centered. And one in the at the bottom. Okay, so it's not centered at all. It looks very weird. Can you see? That's the top. And that's the bottom. I don't know if I can do anything with this because it's so uncentered. We'll see. And last but not least, it was not last, here we have Ava beads in Crystal Labrador full. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Not that much. 6 Ava beads. Okay. And now, this is the last one. This is check drops 4 by 6 millimeters, and these are really nice. I like the color, and of course no product code, so I can't tell you the color, but they are like a little bit brownish pink, peachy, sort of. I don't know, but they are very, very nice, very shiny and beautiful. It's a bummer with my camera lights here. I have to fix that. All right, so this was all for this month's box from Potomac Beads, best XL box or whatever. And I kind of like the colors in here, and they go well together, but as I said, I'm not so sure I will make the patterns, maybe the earrings, because they are kind of nice. And maybe I'll try to make something different that I'm not used to doing. And I watched Alicia from Beautiful Nights, and she'd used everything in the box and made a really, really cool and pretty lariat necklace. And maybe I can try to do something else. I'm sure I will find a lot of inspiration online. So I'll get back to you and show you what I've made when it's finished. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.